Okay, in this video we're going to do hex to binary and hex to decimal. Well, your hex to binary is basically exactly the same as your binary to hex, except it's the opposite way around. So basically, doing what you did with binary to hex, just do the same way as that, except obviously you're the opposite. So your E, for example, would be 1, 1, 1, 0. And your 9 will be 1, 0, 0, 1, because it's 8 plus 1, if you remember from the previous video, because it's 9 again, it's the same again. And 6, you're just basically doing the same again, so it'll be 0, 1, 1, 0, because it's 4 plus 2, gets you 6. So that's the answer to this one. And it's basically just the same again here. So for A is your 10. So you go 1, 0, 1, 0, and 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. It's like again 8, 4, 2, 1, so you're just in 2. And then for 1, it's just 0, 0, 0, 1. And B is 11, so it's 1, 0, 1, 1. And that's basically your hex to binary. It's just the same way as binary hex, just the opposite way around. And for hex to decimal, you're basically using your table again, the 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 6, 4, 0, 9, 6, blah blah blah, and you basically line them up right to left again. And for this, you've got to times 15 times 496, 4096 times 15. And you do that for the rest, and then once you get all your answers for the individual column, you add them all up together. So we go over here, which I've already did. So you go 496 times 15 is 61440. So that's because F's 15. And 0 and 256 you don't do because there's nothing under that. And 16 times 5 is 80, and 14 times 1 is 14. So basically you're just adding them all up together. So once you've got all your totals, which I did here, you just add them all up. So your answer will be 61534. So that's all you're doing. You've just got to remember hexadecimal. You times your columns first. So you go 15 times that, 5 times 16, and 14 times 1. You get your totals for those, and then once you get all them, you just add them all up together to get your answer. Is there any other questions? If you go to my written tutorial, it probably explains it better.